Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and really unexpected pickup today, man. I was just at Best Buy, Target, I was all over the city, but all of a sudden, I just picked up a Mac Mini just with a snap of the finger like that. I wasn't even thinking. I was with a couple friends. At first, it was a joke, but then I just turned into a real thing. We actually got a Mac Mini, so here we are. I actually got a Mac Mini on my pool table. So today, we're gonna go and unbox this thing from a Windows user that uses like Galaxy Books and things like that, and this is gonna be my first good Mac. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back at the legendary unboxing table, and I gotta tell y'all, I gotta be like the worst impulse buyer out here. I mean, I just bought a $650, $750 PC just out of nowhere. But that's what these stores do to you when you get in there. They purposely put these products everywhere so they could just buy everything in their store. But yeah, so we got this M1 Mac Mini. I really wasn't sure what I was gonna do. I was deciding between this and an M1 MacBook Air, but I just ended up getting this. Eventually, I'm gonna get an M MacBook Air, just maybe not the M1. Maybe I'll just wait until they come out with the M2 or whatever they call it. Anyways, let's get into this, because I don't unbox a lot of Apple products around here. So we got the actual Apple logo here, and this is way bigger than I thought it was. Just right off the bat, I want to say real quick, because I thought the M1 MacBook Mini would be a lot smaller than this. But yeah, we got 8 gigs of memory, 256 gig SSD, because that's all my Best Buy had. And I don't really plan on editing on this. I got a Galaxy Book Flex for that, so I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be fine on that. I just wanted a Mac for the longest, and I think I might get that MacBook Air. I'm not really sure. We'll see if I end up returning this. So on the front, we got the Mac Mini. On the left and right side, we don't got none, but at the top and bottom, we got Mac Mini. I already showed y'all the specs, so let's just go ahead and get into this thing. So I need my unboxing knife to get into this. And we got an issue right here. So I don't know what I did with my unboxing knife. So I guess.
Really, nigga?
We don't really need to cut into this that much. That's all we really need to do. So let's just go ahead and bust this open real quick. And there we go. All right, so let's just go and let this thing fall here. And there we go. Here is my M1 MacBook Mini, still falling. There we go. Yeah, this is way bigger than I thought it would be, and even thicker than I thought it would be. Just look at that. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be around the size of the Apple TV, but I guess not. I mean, it's still not that big, but still. So we got designed by Apple in California. I kind of doubt we got Apple stickers in here for like an M1 MacBook. Oh wait, hold up, we do. So for M1 MacBook Mini, we actually do got Apple stickers up in here. I know, how dare I question Apple with their stickers in their boxes. Anyways, we got the power cord right here, and that's pretty much all they give you inside this box, which is kind of surprising, but at the same time, not really. And yeah, there goes your unboxing. Like, I don't know what more y'all expect from me besides send it up. I mean, I guess we could just look around this thing real quick. So let's look around here. We got Mac Mini here at the bottom, and if we look at the top, like I said, we got the Apple logo in this like metal, obviously. Or I'm sorry, aluminum. There we go. So yeah, we got Mac Mini, and then we got some specs down here and all the other good stuff with my serial number. And let's go and take this off here. And there we go. So we have a power button, we have a power outlet, we have an Ethernet, we have 2 Thunderbolts, and then we got an HDMI, 2 USB-A's, and then we got a headphone jack. Now on my desk, obviously I got all Windows accessories, but it does work for Mac, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I don't got no Mac peripherals. So let's go and get this thing all plugged in, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, y'all, so excuse the mess, but I got my M1 Mac Mini all plugged up right here with all the cords and everything, so everything's good right there. I even went ahead and turned this thing on, and I'm surprised it actually has a speaker in here, so that's pretty dope. And you got the LED indicator right there, as you can see, and that's the screen that it first gave us before we just had a black screen. So right now it's telling me to connect a mouse. Problem is, I do not have a mouse, and it looks like it's a magic mouse, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy one real quick. I gotta go back to the store and get one. I tried using this, and this thing is not working out for me. It's not working at all, even though it's plugged in here, as you can see. But I think once I get past the setup screen, I will be able to use that in this Logitech here, so we'll see. But I guess I'll be back and I'll get me a magic mouse. Alright, y'all, so I'm back all the way from Target. As you can see here, I got a magic mouse, but not only that, but I also got the magic keyboard right here. So now it's letting me set it up here, so let's go and go to continue. We're gonna go ahead and not do the migration assistant. We're gonna go and sign into my Apple ID. Gotta create my computer account. Gotta set up Find My. And alright, bang, just like that, we're all set up. Now, you know what? This feels weird using the Mac on here. You wanna know why? Because every time I used Mac OS on a monitor or setup like this, it was always a Hackintosh, and now we're just using like an actual Mac? What? Who knew we was gonna get to this day? But here we go, and now you can see I can't hear anything on my speakers for some reason, but I'll figure that out later. But I can hear the speaker in the Mac Mini itself, which again, I didn't know it had, so that's pretty dope. But that's where I'm gonna go and cut it here for today, y'all. I appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at eSantech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to this, so stay tuned for my Mac Mini videos if I post more. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.